Hello everyone, this is Andrew Mansheim speaking. So welcome to Statistics. This online mini-semester, this class requires a lockdown browser and webcam. And right now, today, I'm going to show you how to take the test that you'll be needing to take these 4 weeks, which require Respondus Monitor, lockdown browser. You're going to go to log in through Canvas. You're going to go to your Math 108 course. Now on the far left, you're going to look for the tab that says Quizzes, right here. So you'll see all 4 exams, including your final exam, are up here, which requires Respondus lockdown browser and a webcam. So what you'll be needing to do is you'll first need to download the lockdown browser. So if I click on your first test, and it has some instructions here too, you must submit the test in MyMathLab and submit this quiz in Canvas. If you don't submit it in Canvas, your webcam basically doesn't shut off, so it just continues to keep being recorded. So you're going to need to show me your notes that you used for the test. During this pre-test sweep from the Respondus Monitor, you'll also be asked to show your ID, and it'll do an environment check. So anyway, what we're going to do is take this quiz, click on Take the Quiz, and you're going to need to click on this right here where my cursor is and download the Respondus lockdown browser. Okay, once you download the browser, I would just have it on your desktop. You can open up the lockdown browser from your desktop, and then it's going to take you. You can have it set on the My Blackhawk page or Canvas automatically, but you're going to go back into Canvas, then go back to your quizzes, and then you can take the quiz from there. It's going to ask you for a password, which you should have received the password for your first exam from me already. And if there's any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you, everyone.